Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku Alpha. This engaging puzzle challenges you to fill a 9 by 9 grid, which is divided into 9 smaller 3 by 3 blocks. Your objective is to place letters a through I into every cell. Remember, each letter can only appear once in specific areas. The core rules are straightforward. First, every horizontal row, consisting of 9 cells, must contain each letter from a to I exactly one time. Second, each vertical column, also with 9 cells, must similarly feature every letter from a to I without any repetition. Finally, each of the 9 3 by 3 blocks must also contain all 9 unique letters. The unique alpha twist is simply the use of letters a through I instead of numbers 1 through 9. This means you're applying the same logical deduction skills, but with a different set of symbols. Don't let the letters intimidate you. The underlying puzzle mechanics are exactly the same. Just focus on ensuring each letter is unique within its designated areas. To master Sudoku Alpha, begin by scanning for rows, columns, or 3 by 3 blocks that already have many letters filled in. This often reveals cells where only one letter can logically fit. Another helpful technique is to use small pencil marks in empty cells to note all possible letters, then eliminate them as you solve. Patience and systematic checking are key to success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.